What
it is, people. So here we are, new adventure. We are in Laval. We are going to, what's it called?
Maze.
We're going to the maze. It's called SOS. I didn't tell you what it is. SOS VORTEX.
Technology.
SOS VORTEX. So we're gonna go to SOS VORTEX. It's kind of like the SOS at the old port, the maze at the old port. Watch the video.
And Daddy is not gonna find any clues.
No, who's gonna be the maze master?
Me.
Wow. How come? And what about me?
Could I have a better brain?
You have a better brain. Well, we're gonna see.
And I have a better eyesight.
Wow. Okay. No, so do you see? So you're saying Daddy is stupid and blind?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. So this is what it is. Get some drone shots. We're gonna have an adventure. We're gonna try to get through this maze, and I think it goes by time. And I don't know what it was for the last one. I think I still have the ticket. I'm gonna check it after how long it took us to do it. But it was like an hour and like 10 minutes. We'll try to do it under an hour.
Under 1 minute.
Under an hour is the goal. Sounds good?
Under 1 minute.
Stand up, man.
Under 1 minute.
Okay, so this is what it is. Join us, and here we
go.
You're there! Finally! My name is Hola, permanent specialist of spatial temporal journey. Today, you will be able to experience an unbelievable journey. And just know that most people come back intact.
Alright, here. Time of start 13:55. Time of start. Ready? Let's do this. Let's go. It says start.
Let's go by this way.
Let's go by this way. Oh, now we have multiple choices here. Dead end, my guy. Bruh. Let's get ready to rumble! Which way? Oh, yeah. Let's try to get there. The spaceship. Oh. Oh, not here.
We're really lucky to get
It's water. It's water.
Water is life. Water is essential to every life. And when we do it, we do renewable energy.
Okay, go. Punch your ticket. Here. You gotta put it in here. Oh, it's gotta be. I guess it's gotta be all the way in.
You gotta be the bigger one.
Okay, no, that's the maximum. Just press it. Again, yeah. Okay, we're good. Should we good? Did you get it? Show me. Amazing. Oh, disgusting. That circle. Afro circle. Alright, so come in. This doesn't turn.
It's a low voice cow.
It's a cow voice. I thought it turns. And did it work? Oh, solid, solid, solid. Show it. Excellent. Oh, it's water everywhere. Whoa. Sick, bro. Auga.
I did that.
You did that already?
I found it.
This way? We're going this way. We're going this way. Bye. She's going. Dead? Oh no. It's not there either. What? No. What? Yo, what it is, people?
We're missing only one more, and it's been like, for me, it's been like 20 hours.
Yeah, I know. We look all over for this
We
black
looked
one.
for like one time we looked for like 10 then.
10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10, not 10 days, but 10 minutes. But like, show them the card. This thing's making a little bit of noise, but show them the card. Wait, I can't see. Is it good? It's showing. So we have everything except for the red one. So now we have the red zone left. So this is what it is. We just found the black one. Eddie's been finding them all, and I haven't been finding them all. So I think Eddie's the maze master. To be official maze master, he has to find the last one. He has to get us out of here. Sorry, you got to get us out of here. All right, so let's go. He's already on a mission. He's gone. All right, let's go.
I think I found it.
That way. Okay, that way. Maze master says this way. Okay, Eddie.
Perfect. Guys, we found it and we're trying to make it to the exit. We only have 15 minutes.
That's it, 15 minutes left. We've got 15 minutes on the clock. We got to make it. We got to make it to the exit, or else we're maze masters. Eddie, are you up to the challenge?
Yeah.
Okay, well, here we go. Here.
And I found the red.
And you found the red. So we got all four. You want to show the camera all four? Just as proof, as we found all four? Yeah, all four checked off. We got it good. Now you can bring us to the exit. Take us home. Oh, I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. Oh, what the? Snap it. We're good. Did we do it?
Under 2 minutes.
Whoa, 15 minutes. Oh, we got a little sticker vortex, Eddie. Show me the stick. Stop, show me the stick. Dude, you don't understand. When you move around like that, dude, everybody gets all dizzy at home.
Hello, what it is, people? So we finished in 10,000 trillion billion days. For me, yeah, I was dying of thirst, and yeah, I found all of them. Daddy did nothing. My daddy did nothing. All he did is lead us to traps.
And fly the drone.
Well, no, but he lead us to traps, and that's all he did, and it doesn't help us at all. So.
Wow. So I'm the maze master then. I mean, that's what you're saying. It's because you know what? I wanted to give you guys a chance to figure it out, because if I was gonna do it, it wasn't gonna be fun. I was just gonna find them everywhere all the time. That's why.
You said, "Oh yeah, I think it's here," and then after it just leads to nothing. Come on, what is that?
Yeah, what happened to my drone?
It it crashed in our car. No, not in our car, on our car.
Yeah. So we got
broke one of the pillars. It broke one of the pillars.
The propellers. But we got the shot, so that's what counts.
Yeah.
And I got spare propellers.
He was trying to make it funny and do me funny faces, but after just it went all wrong.
Yeah, it went all wrong. That's right. It hit the car and it fell on the floor. So that's the maze. Was it SOS?
Vortex.
Vortex. SOS Vortex. We did it, and it's an outdoor thing. So if it's raining, forget it.
My dad thought it was an indoor, but he actually was wrong.
Yeah. I didn't know, but good thing we came on a good day, because if it's raining, I don't know. I don't know how. You bring your raincoats. Wrong or right?
White.
I'm right on that. And so that's it. So how did you like it? On a scale of 1 to 10.
9.
9? For real?
For real.
You liked it that much? Did you like getting sprayed? Did they even
that actually felt very good. Yeah. That spring blue thing, I had it inside my mouth. I wanted it inside my mouth. I opened my mouth, and then after water came inside.
Oh yeah, because you were thirsty. Yeah, I told you to drink before we started.
But
you just didn't.
But I had 0 juice.
So from Eddie Greg 2, Eddie Greg 1.
Peace. To the next one. Click subscribe, take the little bell, and subscribe, and
like the video.
Follow us.
And like the video.
Yeah, follow us also.
We're good?
Yeah, and our new merch.
No, we don't have merch. We don't have merch.
We do. Remember that you made our shirts.
No, we don't have merch. No, we don't have merch. Okay.
No, never mind.
That's it. So, Eddie Greg 2, Eddie Greg 1.
Peace.
To the next one.